are so fortunate to have a nice park near. There's a lot of people that don't have parks near them at all.
Gorgeous. Like what I used to love Elizabeth Park. That was my favorite when I was in Hartford.
Oh,
At West Hartford. I stayed going there.
We were just there. Oh gosh, I'm not trying to think when we were there, but it was really nice. And they have this teak kind of like construction, like a patio. It was so cute. I was like, oh,
Gorgeous over there.
The Emerald Room, Irish Coffee. Jehovah meant for the entire earth to be a gorgeous park. Just parts of the park. Oh, look at those roosters. I don't think I've ever even seen the animals over here. I've never even done that, I don't think.
Yeah, we walked over here a couple of times.
Oh, cute.
And just stayed over here.
I couldn't find a mama with a kid that wants to,
I like how you're driving up here. We never drove up here.
Oh, yeah.
We always park in the first lot and then we walk.
oh, that's nice.
Okay. But the animal section is nice.
Oh, the little bridge, so cute.
Trail.
So cute. Oh, there's like a little playground over here. Nobody probably comes to this playground.
It's water somewhere over here too.
Is there?
Yeah.
Did y'all walk it?
We walk near it, yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't know that. We were amazed when we walked over here and saw everything that was over here. And who built it, who was.
Oh, I love that.
Like, yeah.
I look forward to talking to these people when they come back. Like, Susan, I saw what you did at the park.
You know?
Tell me. Oh, here's a baseball field. Oh, what in the world? Okay, now. Let me do something. And the volleyball. What if we ever could do a picnic over here? What it would cost?
You're so cute. We should bring a team. You're so cute. Because we never walked over here. We only walked that on the right side. Yeah.
I've never been down this far. Never. I'm telling you, this is probably.
It's a nice walk.
I have been in this state for 30 years. I can't tell you that I've been to this park 10 times. I haven't been 10 times. Man, the textures are just. Everybody's getting textures. We are here. Oh, I want to see the little water spout. Yeah. So we could go.
Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is the part where near the main road.
Look, when you go, look at that. What's straight ahead? What do you see straight ahead? What city is that?
Is that Hartford?
That's Hartford.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at. That's gorgeous. Look at that.
Like, yeah, make it bigger.
Isn't that amazing? I'm such a big kid. Oh my goodness! Look at that.
So maybe we could set up like right here in the shade if you guys want.
Okay. Okay. Just gotta take this all in. Yeah. Just being normal. I'll probably do a voiceover for this one because I never do those. I don't really like those, but I'll probably talk over this one. This one is beautiful. I don't think the camera is able to see him. Yes, oh, yes, it is. Ah! Look at my baby all the way down there.
Bangkok, Thailand, Milwaukee, United States, and San Diego, United States. So we picked the ones that we picked in order. So I'll tell you what we picked, and then I'll tell you if you get 10 cards collected, then you win. Okay?
And that's basically just guessing it right.
Guessing it right, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So you can pick the card from the middle, from the top, whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna go first to show you how it's done. All right, so I got 4. Oh Lord. Let me just pick my card. My card says, oh my gosh. Name 4 movies with Kevin Bacon. So this is what I have to do. Ooh. So I only know, Kevin Bacon, let me think. So I know Footloose is one. There was one.
I thought it was like 5.
You already know?
He knows the actors.
Oh my goodness. All right, so Joe gets the card anyway, but what was the 5? So give me 4. So Joe gets the card, I don't know.
So, because I watched those. All right, so there's Hollow Man.
Okay.
There's Friday the 13th.
He was in Friday the 13th?
He was in the first one, yeah. He's in X-Men.
Really?
He was in...
that old school movie I just watched the other day. Something Mississippi.
No, he's not in that one. He's in the one with Tom Cruise when they were the lawyers. 1992, him, Demi Moore.
A Few Good Men.
Yeah, A Few Good Men. That's 4. He's in the movie with Amanda Seyfried in 2020. That's 5. I can't remember the name of it. The House Down the... It was something like that.
Okay.
He's in another movie when the cop, his daughter got...
The one I just watched the other day.
Yeah, and he was.
I don't remember the name of it though. Yeah, that was good.
That's 5. Well, that's 6. I like Kevin Bacon. He's one of my favorite actors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you would have kept the card because you would have got at least 4. All you do is get 4.
Yeah.
All right.
And then that's it. There's more.
Okay. So it's my turn. You. My bad. Okay, because you got it.
Yeah, well, you gotta draw first.
Yeah. Oh wait. Oh,
yep.
Roll first.
Roll first. 5. And you pick anywhere you want. What does it say?
Name a movie with 5 sequels.
5 sequels?
Exactly 5. Twilight.
Yeah!
Twilight has
Love
5?
Twilight.
5. Twilight. Breaking Dawn. Wait. Twilight, Eclipse, New Moon, Breaking Dawn Part 2.
Wow.
That's fine.
So you keep that. That's
Oh,
your
yeah, keep
card.
it, yeah.
Yep. So now you go.
Okay.
I had to exactly.
3.
All right.
So I just pick, right?
Pick a card.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Name a syllable U.S. state. Wait, what's that
3
dash?
syllables. So name a 3-syllable
3
U.S.
syllables.
state.
Oh, because
Alabama is 4.
That's 4 A's.
because I got the number 3.
Yeah. So
On a
name
thing?
a 3-syllable
Yeah.
state. A state that has 3 syllables in it. Alabama has 4.
Oh.
Utah has 2.
Right.
Okay. So Connecticut,
No, that's
No.
4.
That's 4.
Connecticut,
Shit, cut.
That's 4.
Florida,
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Florida. All right.
Florida.
So that's
That's
it.
one.
You just need one.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Go me.
This for
We're gonna place it there.
Look how she plays.
1.
I can't.
Name a music group with the number 1 in its name.
With one. Oh yeah. A music group with the word 1 in it.
Yeah.
There's an easy one. Give it a hint. What's a hint? What do you use? What do you use when you're looking on maps? What do you follow? What do you follow when someone gives you an order?
The map.
Oh yeah.
GPS.
No.
Yeah, kind of. But
Oh,
what is
no,
that?
no.
Directions.
Yes.
One Direction.
There you go.
One Direction. Okay. Let's go. Just get my foot. They know it's me. They hear my voice. Not today, YouTube. 3. Okay. Name a vehicle with 3 wheels. Tricycle.
Yep. 1.
What's that thing my cousin used to ride? It's like a motorcycle. It's something like a tricycle, but it's like that motorcycle, but it's a try something. 3 something.
There's that thing.
forgot what it's called.
There's that vehicle out that I be seeing in Japan. It will have like 2 wheels on the front and then 1 on the back. I don't
That's
remember the
one.
name of it.
Yeah, that's
I don't
one.
remember the name of it, but I remember seeing it in movies.
And
What
then
are
the
they
third
called?
one,
Because we see them here on the highway. What are they called?
the kids be riding it. My cousin used to have one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
I don't know the third one. Oh my goodness. What else could have 3 wheels?
Yeah, what? 3 wheels.
Not a plane.
Not a
Cause
plane.
you know the planes let
Yeah.
out the wheels, but I don't remember how many.
3.
I don't know. We don't want to give Joe this.
We don't want to
We don't want to give Joe that
Joe
one. 3
A
wheels.
Polaris Slingshot, motorcycle class, a Morgan Super 3, Retro Roadster, Campania T-Rex RR Sport Trike, a Vanderhaal Venus Auto Style Trike, and an Elio Motors P4 Concept Commuter. Girl, you got to give that one to Joe.
And I would not have known that. So now we
Yeah.
gotta get his card to Joe. Joe has it. Joe gets that card.
Yeah,
All right.
Joe gotta
got
take
it.
it.
How you gonna play and record? That's gonna be a challenge.
I know. But we about to do this.
You better figure it out.
Do this. Skip
me?
move.
Alright, so it's you. Let me back up so I don't get close to you.
All right, go ahead.
That's blue, obviously. My card a little bit. Oh. I look directly at it. I try not to. It's tough. That's a 3. You got this.
This is why I gotta have a GoPro or something like yo. Ha! Yellow. Oh shoot! He just put a.
Another one.
Draw
I'm
8.
embarrassing you on the
2, 3, 4.
You could have looked at the first card too.
7, 8. All right, what's the color?
Red.
All right, I'm gonna have to let y'all go because I need my hands to win this game. All right.
Shuffle. I haven't shuffled in a minute. It's gonna be a little difficult to shuffle in this wind.
I know, right? And we got brand new cards too. We don't want to bend them up.
Let me move a little closer to this.
Get this beautiful sun and Hartford down there. Hartford downtown.
That sun changed. Yellow.
You are so aggy. Just enjoying Jehovah's amazing planet.
I've been doing that face since 2016.
This is amazing. You're not seeing my face today. This is a vlog of just chilling and enjoying nature. Jehovah's beautiful, amazing earth.
It's windy. I can't even pass up the cards yet because it's windy.
Chilling today.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 6, 7. You go first because I do.
This one?
Yeah. Anyway, it don't matter. It will be nice to take.
You said green?
Yeah.
I'm changing it to blue.
Why blue? Why not green or yellow?
Blue! You have blue? I'm being aggy, I know. Skip.
Yeah. It's a little cringe, but we're good.
What is that?
Green.
What is that card called again?
It's a blank card. You can do anything with it.
It's
But
Aggie.
I'm just being nice. I'm gonna make you a plug.
God damn it.
Color.
Yellow.
That works too.
Uno. Ross.
Let's see. I was saving that.
Okay. Let me see.
Green.
You see what he hit me with? Green?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta draw 4.
Technically not supposed to put down because you picked up, but we're gonna.
Alright, so I gotta draw 2?
We're gonna let it slide. It's okay now. We're gonna let it slide.
Alright, so that's green.
It's something like nice. It's something like red now.
Alright, blue.
I haven't had blue yet. Green.
Green. red. Uno.
This could go either way.
All right, Uno out. So I won. Bye, Park. Ooh. Ooh. I knew I wasn't bugging and saw some bats. You see the bat, Gary? It was a bat. Okay.